One of those things that could take a lot of your time on a day you're supposed to be chilling with your kids, your friends, your family, is meal prepping. Guys, you don't want to sit on a day like Christmas making all your meal and you're still meal prepping on that day. That's going to be a sorry for you. So in this video, we are going to cut that in half. Apart from festivity, I do this on a regular and there's no going back, guys. All you need to do is to wash your veggies very well. Vinegar is one of the things you can use, and yes, you're going to get clean veggies. Yeah, I have my sweet corn and green peas. I use immaculate green peas because I like how hard it is. It's not soggy unlike the other products. So yeah, I have bell pepper. You can do with any colors of your choice, yellow, red, but yeah, this is what I have for this video. This is what I can get rather. So yeah, I have spring onion, the onion parts. I have to separate them because I don't want to add the leafy part to this mix. I'll be keeping it separately because I like to sprinkle some of them on my chicken for dressing and some of them on my rice. So yeah, I'm not adding that. There I have my finely chopped carrot. I always scrape the back of my carrot to give it this final look. Yeah, I have my green beans. Yes, I love adding green beans. I don't know, is there fried rice without green beans? I don't think so. And in the other bowl I have green scotch bonnet. Okay, I always like adding scotch bonnet, but sometimes I don't add it to the mix. I just store it in a plate separately because I can use this to cook my chicken. I can use this to do whatever. So I like having scotch bonnet, the green ones, in a bowl like so, and I'll just freeze it away. So yeah, I have everything I'll be using for this mixture. You can do more. You can add red kidney. Yeah, I don't want to add those things because this is all that is required for this particular one. Like I said, do you and add as much ingredients or as much veggies as you want. But yeah, we're working with this and all you need to see is the mixture. So you want to grab a big bowl and add everything in there. So here's the reason why I find this video very important, or I feel you guys will need this video. There was a day I had a very urgent order and I needed mixed veggies. Okay, so because I was buying other stuff from the supermarket, I decided, okay, let me just grab a bag of mixed veggies from the fridge, so I will be saving myself like some time and all of that. I went to the fridge and I grabbed the bag, 500 gram, which is like half a kilo, right? So I took it to the payment point, and to my surprise, that was like 5,600 naira. And in my head I was like, what, like what's going on here? 500 gram, and in this bowl I have over 1 kg. Guess what, guys? Everything I bought is not up to 3,000 naira. So that is why I feel this video is important to you guys, because I don't really buy mixed veggies in bags, so I didn't really know it was that bad. I didn't know the price was that bad. So making this, it didn't take me up to 30 minutes, the whole dicing and me trying to double task and all of that. So I don't know what you'll be doing if you're not doing yourself, and you don't really need to do this on the day you need it, because doing it fresh like so is going to last way longer than you think. just put it in a bag and freeze it. Some people just go ahead and blanch this a bit, like boil this in hot water, I mean the beans and the carrots, but I don't find that any useful, because when you freeze it, it's better that way. It still keep the freshness, it keeps it very crunchy and all of that. And I love my veggies crunchy, unlike the over blanched one or the blanched ones. So do you, and you can give both method a try. But yeah, this is so me, this is how I do mine. Like I said, you can get as much colorful peppers as you can find. I only find the green ones, and that's why I'm using the green ones. Guys, Miss Veggies is expensive. Make this a week to Christmas when you are still less busy, or just when the veggies are still very cheap in the market. Buy them, make them, put them in your freezer, and thank me later, guys, because I know when you bring out your veggie bag from your freezer and you are making your fried rice in less than 20 minutes, you are going to remember that I said so. So guys, if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't. And as per always, thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and season's greetings. So all I do is pack them in a bag. Actually, I'm just packing this smaller portion because I'm going to be keeping it for my daughter's meal. But yeah, I needed this for an order the next day, so I'll be packing the bigger ones in a bigger bag for the next day use. So you can pack this in a Ziploc bag, in a nylon, in a plate, whatever you find available around you or in your house. Go ahead and pack this, and make sure you freeze it. You don't want to put this in the refrigerator, you want to put it in the freezer. Make sure it's frozen, like it's well frozen, and yeah, you're good to go. So I'm going to pass this on to a bowl, but I later saw my pack I was looking for, and I passed it on to the pack again, and I put it straight in the freezer. It was good to go.